everyone, welcome to Sketch School of Art and Creativity. I am architect Samiksha Nahar और आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे how can students manage their preparation for boards as well as their preparation for NATA, JEE B.Arch as well. सबसे पहले हम प्रिपरेशन की बात तो कर रहे हैं, but why do we need to prepare? We all already know and give a lot of importance to preparing for the boards examination. But somewhere along this, we sideline why architecture entrance preparation is also important. हम सोचते हैं कि इसके लिए हम बाद में प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे, टाइम मिला तब करेंगे, but is this the right thing to do? So इस पे बात करते हैं and let's try to understand why this preparation is necessary. If you don't prepare simultaneously, either you won't get into a good college or you will have to take a drop. Just scoring good marks in the boards will do nothing. You will definitely have to score better marks in your entrance exam so that you can get into top colleges. अगर सोच ही लिया है कि आर्किटेक्चर करना है तो मेहनत करो, अच्छे कॉलेज से करो. Because being an architect, I can tell you that this will benefit you a lot. And I think सारे बच्चे बोर्ड्स के साथ साथ प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, तो why can't you? Even if you do manage to pass your entrance exam but don't score good, you won't be able to get into top colleges. And getting into a good college is really important because it will affect your quality of education, what kind of career you will have, and what kind of opportunities you will get after that will be dependent on that. Which is why boards preparation is important, but preparing for your architecture entrance exam is equally important. Because once you get into a good college, no one is going to ask you what were your score in boards. Boards की score से literally कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. अब हमने ये तो देख लिया कि prepare करना क्यों important है. Now let's see how we can prepare and manage boards as well as entrance together. Firstly, you should opt for online coaching. If we talk about SSAC, we provide online coaching only. अब आप सोचोगे, how will this benefit you? There are a lot of benefits to this. Like I know students who are preparing for their board examinations have a very hectic schedule. They have their schools, tuitions, etc. They literally don't get any time to prepare for their entrances. Which is why if you join an online coaching, you will save a lot of travel time. Compared to that, if you had joined an offline class for the same, you will get to work or study diligently without any exertion at the comfort of your homes. Physically तुम exhaust नहीं होगे, which is a huge thing. It will be so productive and you will save a lot of time. Because in online for some reason कम time में बहुत सारी चीजें cover हो जाती है. एक problem ये भी आता है that in offline classes, if you miss any class, you won't be able to understand future classes. But in case of online classes, you will get backup recordings for every live class we conduct. Basically, तुम्हारा flow कभी नहीं टूटेगा and you can revise the same thing n number of times you want. And lastly, the most important thing is, suppose I would be teaching in an offline institute, then मैं limited students को ही पढ़ा पाती. But in online, if it's a good institute, you will get amazing faculty from all over India. SSAC is definitely one of the best platforms for you to prepare for architecture entrance examinations. If you want, you can book a free demo session with us. You can also see demo sessions from other online institutes and get to know the difference yourself. But yeah, the thing is that studying online will make a huge difference. Now, some students also struggle with their time management a bit, so let's talk about that. You can start by creating a schedule or a timetable for yourself with the given time and syllabus you have. I would recommend you that focus on architecture preparations from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. every day. Even our classes are held after 7 p.m. because we know that you have your school and tuitions every day and you cannot change those timings, which is why we work extra for you guys. So, after you're done with your school and tuitions, give some time every day for your architecture entrance preparation. You can make short and achievable goals for every day or every weekends also. But don't forget to take a day off, so that will refresh you a bit. Another advice I'd like to give is don't focus too much on pre-boards. Yes, they are definitely important, but तुम्हें ये भी समझना important है that preparation is a process. एक दिन पहले या एक वीक पहले अगर तुम प्रिपेयर करोगे तो that won't be enough. Consistently, when you're working towards your goal with the right guidance you can get here at SSAC is when you will be well prepared. The last and the most important thing is focus on quality study time. We say that quality over quantity matters. Similarly, don't drain yourself by studying for long hours or by wasting your time. Instead, take naps in between or focus on your health. Even if you are studying for less number of hours, but under the right guidance by expert professionals, it will prove to be very beneficial for you guys. Now, when preparing for architecture entrance examination, some students think that it's the same as school studies. You can't just mug up a topic and score well in these exams. Many students don't even know which topics are important, which is why I would definitely recommend you to at least book a free demo session with us so that you can get a complete clarity on this. We have been producing top results every year, and last year 1/3 of our students were toppers and it broke all records. Listen to what our students have to say.
Hi everyone, I am Yash Asodekar and I have scored 99.66 percentile in my JEE B.Arch examination.
I am Ishita Garg. I am a student of SSAC Institute. I have scored 99.99 percentile in my JEE B.Arch Session 1 2023.
Hello there, my name is Zamini Singhal and I have been a student of SSAC Institute. To tell you, this is not any other ordinary setup. There's a whole team working on it.
Everything about this institute, the study material, the mock test, the to-the-point content is just awesome.
Also, some questions were very predictable and those teachers gave me those questions which I made mistakes in tests, and the same question by luck was there in JEE B.Arch examination.
Literally, I would find the same questions which were there in the mock test as it is in the examination.
2023 session 1, I found that some of the theory questions were repeated from the tests that I have given.
मैम थैंक यू, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन था आपका, बहुत ज़्यादा बड़ा। एग्ज़ाम को क्रैक करने के लिए ना सबसे पहली चीज़ तो सपोर्ट ही चाहिए होती है, बताने को चाहिए होता है कि करना क्या है, तो वो सारा ही आपसे ही आया है और कहीं से नहीं आया क्योंकि रिसोर्सेज बहुत कम है। तो एक रिसोर्स मिला, वो पहली बार में इतना अच्छा मिला कि बहुत enormous amount of support मिला, तो उसी से हो पाया और कुछ नहीं कर पाता ये क्रैक।
So that was it guys for today's video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.